Oh, I look like professional. Coming on here and but yeah, film myself like this. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm here because I got a camera. Quality's gonna be exponentially better. So we're gonna unbox that today. I don't usually do videos like this, but you know, I'm kind of experimenting with the kind of content I post, and it's about to get a lot better. Let's get on with the video. First, I'm gonna unbox the camera. I have already opened this before. This is what I got first. So the camera I bought is the Canon EOS R50. I looked up cameras that were good for vlogging, photography, content creation, and this was the one that Canon recommended. I was gonna get a Canon G7X, but I want to also get into professional photo taking, and I feel as if the Canon G7X, while it's good for vlogging, this is also good with video taking. So I'll unbox it for you, even though it's already open. And it already has the lens set into it, and it has the SD card already in it. This is what she looks like. Ooh. And it is honestly just so fun. Like, now you see what I'm filming on. I'm filming you on my iPhone, so I like the versatility. I like that I can film myself like this, you know the vibes. I'm very excited. It's a touch screen. It's, this is just so exciting. This is so I can put the SD card in here and transfer it straight to my phone, computer, or my iPad. While this does have Bluetooth capabilities to connect to my phone and import straight from the camera, I feel like this will be a little bit faster for me. So yeah, I got that on Amazon. Now let's get into the real unboxing. I gotta borrow Claire's scissors. Thanks, Claire. Okay, let's be professional. Okay, so I got this bi-color flashlight. It also takes a USB-C charger. This gives me different lighting capabilities. Where you're on my warm tone lamp right now, this will let me be able to have like better lighting if I need a cooler tone light. It works. We're using this. Okay. This is the cool tone light. Okay, hopefully it's better. I can't see myself because I'm not using my camera. So the fact that it's charged is freaking great. Now the big boy. Anyways, this is my new camera bag I got. She's small, she's compact, great for travel because I have a trip coming up and I'm so excited, and I am packing this camera, so, but yeah. That's what she looks like inside. She has great little pockets and everything. Oh, I'm so excited for like SD cards and whatnot. Let's get into the fun thing. My little tripod. Bends and stuff too, but I don't really want to bend her just because I know it'll bother me, but it can also take my phone. But yeah, imagine me like, hold on, let me see. Let's put her on. Oh, you guys, this is literally what I'm gonna look like. Oh my gosh, you're literally gonna see it too, like dual camera action. So hey guys. Oh, I look like professional. I get scared because I'm in my dorm right now, but prop her up. Oh my gosh. And like have a real YouTube setup and use my phone. Oh my. This is crazy. Okay, we're gonna transfer my camera. 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys coming on here and just like watching my journey, honestly becoming a content creator. I feel so much more professional now and I'm genuinely like so excited. If you have any recommendations on how to use this camera, please let me know down in the comments. But I guess that's it for the day. Anyway, love you guys. Okay, bye!